in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North York, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. This severe thunderstorm will be near Spry, Dallastown, East York, Tyler Run, Queens Gate, Stony Brook, Wilshire, Yorkland, Jacobus, and Hallam around 8:20 p.m. Red Lion, Windsor, Yule, York-Anna, and Crossroads around 8:30 p.m. Brogue, Shanks Ferry, and Safe Harbor around 8:40 p.m. Holtzwood, Sunburn, and Delta around 8:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Buck, East Prospect, Peach Bottom, Rollinsville, Winterstown, Fawn Grove, Felton, Loganville, New Salem, and Little Britain. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 8 to 29. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Manchester, Old Memorial Hospital, Rite Aid, Wellspun Health, Wellspun Pediatrics, Wellspun Ogden, Windsor Health Center, York Expo Center, and York, Virginia Community Clinic. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA weather.